Hello, what's up guys? I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today in this video tutorial we're going to see that how to basically save a voice note from your messenger to your phone. So let's suppose I go to my messenger, and once in my messenger I'll just go to any chat, and here's a chat open up in front of me. So if I click on the voice note, I can only preview it or I can share it with other people or delete it, but I can't download it. So how to download it? To download it, you'll have to follow these extra steps, and through this you will be able to download that voice note to your phone. So what you're going to do is go to any preferred browser of yours. I'm just go to Edge, and here what you're going to do is go to m.facebook.com. basically log into the Facebook version, the web page version of your Facebook on the phone, and after what you're going to do is go and click on Messenger. Now remember, every time you click on Messenger, it's going to open up the mobile phone Messenger. All you got to do is just switch back to your browser. Okay, switch back again to your browser, click on this again, the browser will open up, the Messenger app will open up. What you're going to do is again go back to here, and now here you will see that the voice note is mentioned here in clips. Now what you're going to do is simply just click on the audio, and it'll tell you to download the file. Now you click on download the file gets started downloading, and you go to details, and as you can see, the audio clip is downloaded to your phone. This is how you can download any audio clip or any video from a messenger to your phone. All you gotta do is open up the web page version of it on your phone, and then go to the messenger. And remember, it'll stop you, it'll basically interrupt you with the messenger app. It'll tell you to use this, but all you gotta do is just simply navigate to the browser version again, and from here go inside it, and again just type on the voice note. It'll basically download it, and by downloading it you'll be able to listen to it. So that's pretty much how you do it. If you have any further question regarding this, drop it down in the comment section, and if this video helped you, drop a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.